Replacing a balancing DC-DC module. Disconnect the general power cables. Remove the balancing power cables. Remove the communications cables. Remove the elbow connector from the pack extinguishing port. Remove the PE cable. Install the maintenance fixture. Remove screws from the general power ports. Remove screws from the panel. Open the panel outward. Cut the cable ties. Pull out the cable harness. Remove the screws that secure the communications terminals. Remove the cable harness on the left behind the panel. Remove the two cable clips from the panel. Remove the faulty panel, that is, balancing DC-DC module. Install the new panel. Install the two cable clips to the panel. Install the internal cable harness. Secure the cables using a cable tie. Close the panel. Install the screws to secure the communications terminals. Install the screws to secure the panel. Remove the maintenance fixture. Connect the PE cable. Connect the elbow connector from the pack extinguishing port. Connect the communications cables. Connect the balancing power cables. Connect the general power cables.